Lodz. Welcome to Lodz, the third biggest city in Poland, situated in the very heart of the country. The best starting point for travelers is Piotrkowska Street, the longest Polish promenade and an icon of the city, where you can find a lot of shops, restaurants, cafes, and even the Hollywood Walk of Fame, with 65 stars of the famous Polish actors and filmmakers. As Lodz was considered the cinematic capital of Poland, it is also a great place for nightlife with numerous pubs and music clubs. You cannot miss Manufaktura, one of the biggest commercial and recreational centers in Poland, which is a combination of history and modernity. With its leisure activities, it is the perfect place for children and adults. And while inside, you can find hundreds of shops and restaurants. There is a square with fountains outside, where many concerts and cultural events take place. Another must-visit place in Lodz is the Central Museum of Textiles, located in the 19th century White Factory, the first textile factory in Lodz. The museum offers one of the largest exhibitions of modern artistic fabrics in the world, which includes old textile machines, vintage clothes, weaving, and sewing equipment. Take a trip to a nearby 15th century Beszekiri Castle, situated about 70 kilometers from Lodz. Nowadays, the castle is a ruin, surrounded by the moat and romantic meadows. If you are visiting this place in the end of summer, there is a night tournament. Do not miss the 19th century Herbst Palace Museum, built as a mansion for the daughter of the most prominent entrepreneur in Lodz, Karl Scheibler. Get a glimpse into the life of a wealthy family of factory owners and admire a splendid ballroom, mirror room, ancient art gallery, and lush garden, which is also a part of the tour. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.